Hey guys, today we'll be making breadcrumbs. So you only need bread. Either you toast with your frying pan front and back. If this side browns, you turn to the left or you use your oven. Place all your bread slices one after the other in your oven. Please make sure you are around to check it out, to turn to the front or the back when the other side is brown. All you need is that golden brown. I left mine to go eat this in the morning time. To come back, the upper side was more than brown. Look at that. But I wasn't scared because I know I can still scrape them off. Look at that. This one is over browned, but I turned to the other side because I needed everything to be very brownish and hard. I need the bread to dry off and become so hard and cracky. So I left it for a while. Finally, look at what I have. It's now cracking. So all I need to do, the ones that over browned, I only need to use my penknife and scrape. Yes, it's not a must you need to scrape, but I needed to scrape mine because I don't like it was so dark. I don't like the color. So that is all you need. This is the pure brown I'm looking for. You can see the brown. The top part is okay because I didn't go out again. I was checking out for it. But the other part that is so brownish, so dark, I have to scrape it out a bit. So when you put your own in the oven, please check it out. If you're using oven, it will be very, very fast and quick. Because if you're using frying pan, you're going to suffer. No, not really like you're going to suffer. You're going to waste a lot of time. So right now, I'm trying to scrape off the darker place. You can see that I'm okay with that. So I'll continue till I'm done with others. So if you don't have oven, you can still use your frying pan. At least make a smaller batch. It will be more easier for you. So I finished the whole bread inside the oven. This full pack, I finished it. So if you don't have processor or food processor or blender, you can do this. Just crack and put inside your cling film or leather, and you use something and start to crush. Yes, either you pound it on the top or you crush it anyhow you want. The main thing what we are looking for is just that crumbs of bread. That is all. So try your best to achieve yours. So look at what I have here. This is a lot of work when you don't have your processor. So right now I'll be using my processor to process the rest. I have a little food processor, so I'll be using it to process the rest. Even the ones inside the leather, I have to put it here to process it well. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. Feel free to be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I post new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome. Feel free to like my video, feel free to comment, feel free to ask questions. Okay, let's see what we have here. Look at that. You can see this is all you need. Breadcrumbs. Some people add turmeric. You don't need it. If your own is well browned, you need no turmeric. Yes, you need no color. Some add food color, yellow food color. To me, this is okay, except you just want the color. But to me, this is perfect. For me, I'm okay. So I'll keep processing till I'm done. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Be a part of this channel by subscribing to my channel to be getting alerts of my newest video. Don't forget to like this video. Our breadcrumbs are ready. Our breadcrumbs ready. Thanks for watching. Bye.